Day 2 of our trip to a prisoned island off the coast of Mexico. Jess and I were invited to visit this former penal colony, now a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve and run by the Mexican Navy. We started the day at 5 a.m. with a challenging hike to see a massive Christ the Redeemer statue at sunrise. It was built by the prisoners, many of whom believed it would absolve them of their past sins. I'm not sure if it worked, but I'm pretty sure it was a good workout. Afterwards, we headed to the beach for some cervezas and sunbathing. I worked on my farmer's tan while Jess made some new friends. I think she's planning an escape. We then hopped on a shuttle to visit Laguna del Toro, the now defunct maximum security prison. Some of Mexico's most dangerous criminals were kept here starting around the early 2000s. However, poor treatment of prisoners is one of the reasons why this island was closed. We wrote an entire article about it, so check it out in the description. We caught an epic sunset on the south side of the island before ending the day at the island Solera, where prisoners produced natural sea salt that was shipped back to the Mexican mainland in the mid-1900s. It was a fascinating place, and we learned a lot about the history of the island. Stay tuned for day 3, where we're going to be exploring even more interesting parts of the island.